everybody. So I just got a new eyeshadow palette and it is the Raw Kristi Colourpop in at Foresight, and I am excited to try it out. I am at no means a beauty guru or anything, so this is actually just a normal person trying out this eyeshadow palette for the first time, but I absolutely love her and I just wanted to support her, so I just got the eyeshadow palette. Just the eyeshadow palette. Everything else sold out before I can get it, but if you're interested in seeing just a normal person putting on this gorgeous palette, keep watching. Alright, so off camera I just did this eye real quick, this side right here, yep. And I use the colors. Ooh, lordy, I gotta read these colors. I can't pronounce these. I ain't gonna lie, I can't pronounce these. I can pronounce Emerald City. You can see Emerald City right there. And right here, let me see. I got Fiddlehead right there. You can tell what the middle is right here. That's West Coast. Right there. And this one I cannot pronounce for the life of me. Yeah, I can't pronounce that one, but it's the yellow one. Okay, so those are all the colors that I use, and now I'm going to show you how I did that on this side. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta create this yellow part right here. I use a fluffy brush, or at least I call it fluffy brush. I don't know what they're called. I got this forever ago at Elf. Same one I've been using for how many years? It's still good. Alright, so we can go into that yellow color that I do not know how to pronounce. I do not know how to pronounce that. So, yep, and then we're going to go right here. Gotta kind of wing that out a little. Now bring it in right here. Okay. Now, you gotta layer that though. That's going on really nicely. Really dark too. Well, you know what I mean, pigmented. But just keep on layering it until you reach your desired look. Kind of like to blend it up a little bit up here. I'm trying not to have such a harsh line. I clean off my brush too as I'm going. That way I don't have that much product on there. Trying to get it all the way up. I realize that I kind of went in a little too much right here, but I tend to do that. I fix it up in the end though. Alright. Simple. It's on. Okay. Then I go with another brush from Elf. This one's more tapered. And I just washed all my brushes, so they're kind of hard right now, so bear with me. Where was I gonna go? I was gonna go into Emerald City, this darker green. I'm just gonna do a little V right here. Okay. Now, I noticed that the more I try to blend it out, it does kind of disappear, so you just have to keep on layering. Sorry if I keep looking this way, the camera's over here. Camera's right here, but I keep looking over here. Yeah, it kind of disappears a little bit, but I have to just keep on building it. And building it, and building it, and building it. But everybody knows that when you are trying to blend, your color does disappear. It does. Okay? What the hell? Oh, my nose is running. Anyone knows ever run when they're doing their makeup? Okay. So, when I was going right here, trying to blend a little bit more, I used Fiddlehead. Just add a little bit of depth. Not death. Depth. Okay. So then I'm gonna go right here. We're just gonna blend that in. This is so that there's not such a harsh line with Emerald City. But right now, I'm actually kind of liking the harsh line, because if not, I would have just kept on blending it all the way up to the yellow. But I like it right now, how it is. I feel like I went up a little too high. It's okay, I can fix that. And the way I fix that is going back into the color I can't pronounce, which is the yellow. Let's see. Just kind of blend those so that you can get that seamless look. Let's get in there, trust me. Believe in me. I told you I was no beauty guru. I'm gonna go back with Emerald City. Yeah, see that wing is coming out. Anyone else, when they're doing their makeup, open up their mouth? Seriously, like we can't help it. It's not just with mascara, it's with eyeshadow too. And at one point, I brought down Fiddlehead onto my eyelid. So, just gonna repeat what I was doing. Trying to get that smokied out look. Okay. Build it, girl, build it. Come on. You gotta blend. Okay, let's get in there. It is actually very difficult to do this because I'm recording on a camera. On a phone camera. That's what I meant to say. And it's my first time trying to do it like this. So bear with me. But I put Fiddlehead all on my lid. And at the same time, I still want to blend this out because I feel like that is still too harsh. Just need a fluffy brush. You just need a fluffy brush to keep on blending. Any mistakes you make, I swear fluffy brushes will blur that line out, because you know right now that ain't looking good, but it will in the end, I swear. But yeah, just keep on using the color that you started off with to blend it out if you're not happy with your desired line. And then go back in with Emerald City, because I blended, the emerald's gone now. Oh, we don't want emerald to be gone. Where's that tapered one at? Because I'm using the tapered one because, like I said, I wanted sharp kind of line, not too sharp, but I wanted it at least noticeable. And then fiddle, head coming down. Alright. And then after I did that, I just got a flat brush. You can already see the color I used. Went into West Coast. Keep looking that way and stop doing that. And then I just went in the middle. Did I bring it in? I did bring it in. Okay. Oh my god, West Coast is so beautiful, and it goes on so nicely. Look how, like, I feel like I need more on this side. Ooh. You can never get too much glitter. You can never get too much glitter. Alright, and basically that was all I used in this beautiful palette. After that, I honestly go in with like a little shimmer in the inside of my eye. That's with a different palette though, because that one doesn't have the white shimmer that I want. So I'm just using my Lorac Pro, and I'm getting this. I'm using the color Snow, which has been used and abused throughout the years. And then that's how I highlight the inside of my eye. Alright, and that's basically it. Off camera, I just did my eyelashes real quick and my lipstick and basically everything else. But that is basically all that is of this little tutorial on this palette. It is awesome. I love it. And like I keep on saying, I'm no beauty guru, but if I can do it, you can do it. And I hope that I helped you just a little bit. Just a little bit, but that's all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.